Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I would like to share with you some tips that I like to use as I am sewing. Sewing patterns that have a lot of little pieces of fabric and a lot of different fabrics. And I'm going to be making this. It is a fun table runner with all those absolutely adorable bathing suits. So I do hope you join me and follow along as I share some of my favorite tips on keeping organized. So this summertime kit is from Riley Blake, and the fabric line is called Here Comes the Sun. And the entire table runner are these bathing suits. So there's 6 bathing suits in a line. It is a fun table runner, and as with all of the Riley Blake kits, they do come in these beautiful reusable boxes. Now I have found a little secret about these kits, and the secret is the fabric identification. What I have discovered so far in every kit that I have received, the fabrics that are listed are in order. Except for that main big one. In this case, it is a yard of the cream fabric, and that was in the bottom. But other than that, every one is in order. So the first one, Sky Sun, is in order. So be sure to check that out before you start taking your fabrics apart. And if you're not sure of the colors, you can always go online to Riley Blake, check out the fabrics that the kit has, and in this case it's called Here Comes the Sun, and you will be able to see those colors. So those colors are going to give you a good idea on how to match them up. But having them all in order really does make it easy. Now as I go through the fabric, I am going to identify each color with a letter, A, B, C, and so forth. And I do have little pins that I have made with those letters on them. So I've just glued alphabet beads on the end of long pins. So I've taken these and now I've labeled my fabric along with my own personal chart. Having these fabrics identified with their own letter is going to make my cutting a lot easier. And here's an example of how I like to do it. Here is a section where all of these colors by name need to be cut into these sizes. So what I will do is I will identify them by that letter and write that letter down. So for example, fabric B, when I'm finished with it, I've checked it off and have checked out that letter. So instead of trying to read and identify by the colors, I identify it by my own marking system. So this design sort of has sections. They have us make the sunglasses and then the bathing suits. So I have divided my piles up. I have my sunglasses and my bathing suits. So once I have this all done, I lay it out as if I'm going to be sewing it. So the sunglasses take a stitch and flip method, and I'm going to stitch and flip all of these pieces onto the corner of this. So I know I'm going to sew that first. Then I'm going to put borders on. We have top and bottom and sides. Then we're going to stitch and flip, and that is going to be the piece I need. So this is going to make the lens, and this area is going to make the bridge. So I've separated them. I have my pieces now identified as the pieces that I'm going to be needing as I go along. So now I can take this and go to my machine and sew them together. So let me start making my eyeglasses and I'll show you how nicely this is going to go together. So here is my first step. I have stitched, which means I have stitched from corner to corner. I'm going to be able to trim, fold back, press, and that is going to be the start. From there, I'm adding on E, top and bottom, F on the sides, and then stitch and flip some little corner pieces. And that is going to do the lens. So I read that pattern first, and as I read it, I'm laying out those fabrics. Let me get this all put together and you'll see how cute those little sunglasses really are. So all of those little pieces made 6 fun sunglasses. Now I'm going to work on the bathing suit. And for the bathing suit, I'm going to divide it up in sections, just like the pattern has. I'm going to do the straps, the top, and the bottom. And I'm going to just put those pieces all together in those sections, so I can work on one section at a time. Working on one section at a time really does help us stay organized. The bathing suit bottom is stitched and flipped. However, we are going to be drawing seam allowances. When we put those pieces on, instead of sewing from corner to corner, we're going to draw some lines. And in this case, we're going to draw over 1 inch and then have that line go down. So our lines from that 1 inch over down to the corner are now going to be stitching lines. We're still going to stitch and flip, but we are not going from corner to corner. Once those are stitched, we are still going to flip. And we're going to be able to use that back fabric and trim. And then we can cut off these little points. So we're still going to end up with a square. It's just we've added on those little corners. The bottom is still going to be the same, where we're going to put those squares on and stitch from corner to corner. It's this top piece. We just need to do the measurement. So we have those corners, the stitch and flip throughout most of this project. We're sewing from corner to corner, trimming off the seam allowance, flipping it over, and pressing it. So now we're going to be able to put the bathing suit together and put the eyeglasses on, and then we're going to be able to sew them together in rows. So the bathing suits are all done. I do have that little sashing in between, and the last thing I'm going to need to do is put on the border. So my bathing suits are all done. What bathing suit is your favorite? I think I really like this orange one. Now this pattern and the kit is still available, so I'll put some links in the description so that you can check it out if you're interested. And I do hope that some of those tips about keeping organized right at the beginning help you when you're putting together something with a lot of different colors and a lot of different pieces. Thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I have a newsletter. It's all free under Sew Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a spectacular day. Bye for now. So what do you think of the red bathing suit?